How to become an Uber Eats driver. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can become an Uber Eats driver. So the process is really simple. Open up your web browser and search for Uber Eats driver. After you've searched for that, open up the website. Go through the CAPTCHA if there appears any. And after that, you'll just need to follow the prompt. Right here, as it says, deliver when you want, make what you need. That one gets started. And now you'll need to continue with your Google. After you continue with your Google and then sign in, the process is then really simple. All you have to do is just get started from here. So let me tap on get started again. And it should take me to another website. From here, if their service is available in your area, all you have to do is sign up online. You'll need to go through the sign up process. Uber will do a check on you. They will check if everything that you provided is real or not. So just keep everything real. Provide your legal documents if they ask, and with that you will have created your delivery account and you can start delivering after that. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.